So let me tell you ki what is inside the book. I'm Dr. Diksha Singh, your author of book. It's all about pregnancy and a founder of group Hormonal Wings, and basically a founder of Perfect 10 Maternity Rehab. So I'm so thankful. I'm so happy to because this is the book, my dream book. I have just मैं इस पे काम कर रही थी कई सालों से, and thank you so much everyone for your blessings, for your prayers, and whatever good deeds. This book is finally completed and in the media. You can just find it on Amazon. You can find it via I have shared the on my LinkedIn, my Insta, and basically on my FB page too, on FB on Diksha Singh, and on my FB page pelvic floor rehab specialist Dr. Diksha Singh, on my LinkedIn Dr. Diksha Singh. You can find me, and on my website www.hormonalwings.com. So here we go, and please suggest it to your patients, because this is basically for pregnant women. And this book is basically for every woman who is planning, who is under reproductive age, or who just give birth to a baby, because this book containing knowledge about exercise about your postpartum, prepartum period, and your core confidence session too, because I've covered basic part ki your mummy tummy part too, ki if you are suffering from DRA, how to deal with it. If you are an MPT OB-GYN student, then some part of your MPT OB-GYN is in this part of not about the pelvic floor, but about your core part. Your pregnancy related part is all in this book, and your QA sessions, and especially some part regarding your diet too. So if you find any difficulty in this book, just let me know. I'm here to help you. I'm Dr. Diksha Singh, and I'm just so happy to help every woman. And because I'm not everywhere, so I wrote this book to help every woman. Because as you can read, being woman, love woman, educate woman, and treat woman is my only motto of life, and I'm doing it, trying to do it, and with all your blessings, it's just going well. And thank you, Dad. I'm just missing you this day. This is the day we both planned ki when the book came we do so. So this book is dedicated to my parents, especially to my mama papa, and especially to my mom, जिन्होंने अपनी stories मुझसे share की कि कैसा उनका delivery was like normal, and how she deal with it in a joint family than in nuclear family. So it was like कि मैंने दोनों part आपका cover किया है, and if you find आपको कुछ भी दिक्कत है तो आप मुझसे दोनों language में बात कर सकते हैं. I'm here to help you, and please buy it and share it with every woman you love. And just if you find any difficulty, just gift this book to them. And I'm just all congratulating you all advance for being a mama, or for planning, if you're planning. So just go and buy it on Amazon. It's all about pregnancy. I'm Dr. Diksha Singh. By Dr. Diksha Singh, you can search by name or by a link. Okay, and you can find it on Hormonal Wings page too. We have shared the book link. You can just go and buy, or you can just go through our publisher, Backbenchers Publications. So thank you so much, Publication House, for trusting me. Okay, and thank you so much, Hormonal Wings, for giving wings to my dreams. Okay, so here I'm going, and this is my dream of life, to help women always. Okay, chal, bye, and subscribe to my channel. Don't passion. And at least I would like to say a special thanks to my dad. Thank you, Dad, especially, and to my family, my friends, and everyone, whoever whom I don't remember the name, but whoever in my journey, just I'm thankful. And so this is our book. It's all about pregnancy, as the name indicate. अभी बेसिक है कि सब लोग मेरे पास क्वेश्चंस आए कि मैम व्हाट इज इन दिस बुक एंड व्हाई वी हैव टू परचेस इट. सो एज अ बुक नेम इंडिकेट, इट्स ऑल अबाउट प्रेगनेंसी. एंड द सेकंड क्वेश्चन जो मुझे सबसे ज्यादा मिला है वो है कि इज द बुक कंटेनिंग अबाउट नॉलेज अबाउट फिजियोथेरेपी टू. या इट्स कंटेनिंग, द बुक इज समवट डिवाइडेड इनटू इट्स प्रेगनेंसी एनाटॉमी, basic your physiology, your core part, your Kegels, and your posture part. So we have just tried to conclude all part which is important for as in point of view for pregnancy, for a pregnant woman. So this book basically not only belongs to your physiotherapist, physio students. It can be helpful for your gynecologist, your student who are studying for gynec, who are preparing for that main part, your practical sessions, or whoever is just concerned about the women's health, the book is for you. And this book is considered for everyone, every woman who is basically planning for pregnancy, or who is pregnant, or who is just trying to conceive in any way. So dear, this is for you, this is my gift to you. It's all about pregnancy. So I just my humble request to you all, please share this book details. It's on Amazon, my name, It's All About Pregnancy, and by Dr. Diksha Singh. You can just directly go with the name or with the link as I have just shared on my website. On you can just find on my FB, my Insta page, my basically my all professional ID, my LinkedIn, all containing about this book. So this book is not so confusing. It's in a simple language. You can just understand ki this is somewhat where you belongs to as a woman. You should know, as in physio, as in doctor, you should know ki what is going inside the woman. And as a student, you must study the anatomy part. Ki, okay, this is the core part, and this is the basic difference. So this is the book, and thank you so much. And just go and buy it, and just tell me with a review, and on Amazon, or just directly mail me on my ID diksha66singh@gmail.com, or my website www.hormonalwings.com. So just be a part of Hormonal Wings family, and I'm so thankful to you all in advance. And I'm just waiting for how this book will play a part in your life. So as an husband, just gift it to your wife, and I'm there for your help. If you find any difficulty, any confusion, then I'm there. Thank you so much. Okay, and my special thanks to my family, my friends, and my dad especially. I'm missing you, because this book can't be completed without your tea, your coffee, and my mama, who just shared her story that this book I just dedicate to my parents, to every lady who is planning for pregnancy, or who had conceived before, and who had babies and just suffering from so this book basically contains your prepartum part, intrapartum, and your postpartum part, and a special chapter on your question answer session, which is from my all our patients which are till my career I get. उन्होंने जो भी क्वेश्चन किया उसके आंसर मैंने इस बुक में दिए हैं. योर वॉमिटिंग पार्ट की इन द फर्स्ट 3 months you are getting vomiting, what to do with the vomiting, how to deal with it. So this book containing all exercise, all your water chart especially, and your main core part, that is your core muscles. So just go and buy it and be a part of Hormonal Wings. And thank you Backbenchers Publication for trusting me. Thank you so much my beloved Anuj for being an editor of this book, and Sagar Nakar, my friend, for being my publisher. So thank you so much each and everyone, and special thanks to my mentor Kim, and Manju ma'am, and Realni ma'am, and Dr. CP sir. So here we go, and a special thanks to my brother-in-law Siddharth, and my Neha di and Nisha di, so my Bhayu Veer. So just without you all I can't just trust myself. So thank you so much, and thank you, special thanks to my patient जिन्होंने मुझे ये परमिशन दिया, ये कंसेंट दिया कि मैं उनके ऊपर उस चीज़ को स्टडी कर सकूं, उन पे लिख सकूं, और उन्होंने उसमें जो पिक्चर सेशन था उसमें मेरी 2 पेशेंट दैट Mimansha Rathi and Neelam Rathi. So thank you so much. Thank you. I love you both. Okay, and bye. And just subscribe to my channel and buy my book. It's all about pregnancy. Okay, bye.